So this is the new way of working. This is the new way of entertaining yourself, right? This is the new way of doing things. It's about doing things a lot more differently that actually improves your productivity and gives you time back and enables you to go ahead and do more. And that's what these devices are all about. So this is one of the first path-breaking devices that Microsoft has come out with. There are many more which are going to be coming up in our portfolio. And I just wanted to share this experience with all of you. So that's it from my side. Any questions? Sorry?
Cost.
The cost, very attractive cost. So I have my partner who's there at the back of the room, Vipul. You want to come up on stage? So Orient Technologies is our authorized device reseller for service, and Vipul is the branch manager for Orient Technologies.
Hi everyone.
And
There are 4 models are available. One is 4M model, and in 4i5 there are 2 models with 4GB and 128GB of hard disk. And the other one is 8GB and 256GB of hard disk. And then the fourth one is a Core i7 with 8GB and 256GB. The price is Core M model is 78,990, then 89,990, then 121,990, and 145,990. That is only for the devices. Keyboard is a part of accessories.
it's a tablet that becomes into a laptop, right? So inherently it's a tablet. So the nice thing about this, which is what I didn't show you, is the fact that it's a 2-in-1 device, right? So I use it as a tablet when I want to, and so if I'm doing reading, I will normally be in this kind of a mode. If I need to do the PowerPoint presentation or a Word document or work on Visio, or I want to write my code, etc., I just plug the keyboard back in there. It's got magnetic connectors, and I'm completely done. So I'm good to go in laptop mode right now, right? Don't let the cost kind of get to you, because the simple thing is this, right? You have a laptop today and you have a tablet.
1 year warranty.
Okay? If you look at the costing of a laptop and a tablet combined together, you actually arrive at the cost of this. And if you're arriving at the cost of this, you then have only one device that you're carrying around. I haven't carried, okay, my power adapter is here, so let me show this to you. So my power adapter, this device weighs 786 grams, so it's sub 1 kilo. My power adapter weighs roughly around another 200 odd grams. So your total weight that you're carrying with you at any point in time is roughly about 1.1 to 1.2 odd kilos. Now the reason why I say 1.2 odd kilos is because I told you, our vision is that you will have the phone and this device that you carry in your hand, right? No other device. So within my power adapter itself, what we've also done is, we've given you a separate USB charging port. So now you don't need to carry the power adapter for your phone, all you need is the cable for your phone. And so this power adapter will power up both your phone and your device together. So one power adapter coming down to power 2 devices, right? And these are little things that we've gone ahead and done in the device. It actually changes the way you look at. So now think about it. Today, if you look at your weight of your laptop, you're sitting anywhere between 1.5 to 1.6 kgs. Your power adapter itself is another 500 to 600 grams. You're carrying over 2 kgs of weight just in your laptop alone. And this is half the weight of that. If you start to add your tablet, if you start to add your phone with the power adapter, you're coming close towards the region of around 3.5 odd kgs. This is again 1/4 the weight of that, right? So think about how you are actually going to go ahead and do your work, and utilizing these kind of devices, specifically with inking, that's going to change the game and the productivity that you see inside Dr. Lokesh. Any questions? All right, then lunch. I heard someone shout lunch. So, Dheeraj, are we breaking for lunch?
Yeah. So we are breaking for lunch, but just before that, there are some feedback forms that have been given to you. Okay, so there have been some feedback forms given to you. We would request you to please fill it up. There are around 4 lucky draws. I just increased it from 2. Okay, so there are 4 lucky draws, and we would want them to be taken. Rather, we would have loved to have more, but we will do the lucky draw after the lunch here, so that one of you will come and pick up the feedback forms or things, so that you actually get something additional. It's not a surface coming for sure, but something else definitely there. Right? So we just break for lunch and then we assemble back here, or we just assemble back for the lucky draw.
Please give the feedback forms outside.
Because the feedback forms will be the lucky draw. So yeah, we will have to pick up from there only. And one of you will pick it up. We will not do it.
So who all are feeling lucky? Everyone is feeling lucky. Anyone else to submit the form? Anyone else to submit the form?
I think you should go ahead first.
So it's too much of tension building up. So Mr. Dixit, JL will be doing the honors for you. Maybe we will ask him to pick up the first. Yeah, please go ahead. Look, we'll just give you a shuffle.
Anis Kapoor. Anis Kapoor, GIPM.
Is that okay? We will reserve. Anyway, he's a lucky one, so we will reserve it for him. We will pass it on to the department and we will give it to him. You do that? You can collect it for him.
Yes, sure.
So you can pass this to him. Would pick up one more and then we'll have one more volunteer to come and pick up one to the next one. Shuffle. So which department it could be? It's from ACB.
ACB.
Yeah.
Name? Ahmed Pandya.
We will have another someone else to come over here and do the honors of picking up the. Someone else?
Girls, bata na.
Any ladies?
Go, please.
So like you do your Dave said, shuffle. That apparently second one from that is what it's your name. They put a blue ink on it. A tree. From Encode.
3.
क्या होगा जिनको तो पढ़ो गिफ्ट हाउस इस बार सर
From GIL.
Malan, 3 more. Bonus 3 more.
So we have, okay, 3 more to go. So maybe, we can just,
You can do it.
maybe have 3 more to go.
So how many are expecting? How many are thinking it's their names?
everybody is thinking
Okay.
We are expecting from our company.
Okay.
It's GWSSB. So we have, I think, 2 more to go, right? Good. So
That's the final, huh? So you would you want to take up questions before they get into this? खुद का ही नाम निकाल दो.
FCS Sandeep.
He's having his lunch.
Oh, okay.
So you can just keep it on the side. So
The last one, one more left, whom do you feel, you're so lucky today to get the last one?
everyone. Everyone.
You? Examiner Local Funds Department, which is Vinod Gupta.
Are there, Vinod? Take up the next
No
one.
proxy, okay.
No proxies. Take up the new one.
Question.
Take up the last one. People who are there. Very simple. Very simple.
Okay, last one is for the. Yeah, directors of KGVS. Yeah. Good, so before we give just 2 words about how this session.
That I have already done. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This event was truly very informative and very knowledge-giving kind of. And both the speakers, I am especially thankful to both the speakers because they have enriched my knowledge. And the technology, whatever it is conveyed to the people, you just think and try to adopt all the things. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Vital from them.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you very much.
नाम क्या बताया आपने?
हाँ मेरे साथ ही
आपका भी आएंगे सर क्या उनका नाम?
नेशनल कोऑपरेटिव मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज है.
PH Raval, RA Partner, SS Sutar, SS Srinivas. One is Srinivas.
RR Pandya.
Rakesh
Pandya.
Tomorrow is fresh.
Can I request all the delegates to please move into the main hall? We will be starting immediately. Can I request all the delegates to please move into the main hall? Can I request the team members to please get all the delegates back into the main hall? They can get their tea, coffee inside. Warm welcome on behalf of DataQuest and Microsoft. I know India has broken another record, and I think even Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, last 100 years, that's what I was watching on the television, last 100 years record of heat has been broken, and I think we have touched almost 48 point, a couple of points on the scale, so it's really very, very hot, and let me therefore thank you doubly for being able to come here. I hope there's enough value that you get here this evening on this very, very important subject that we want to discuss with all of you. This is a part of the DigiGov series that we started with Delhi last week. The idea is that, as you all know, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been stressing on the need for ICT infrastructure, on the need for ICT applications, whether it is enterprise or whether it is citizens or whether it is government. And he has a very strong belief, and rightly so, that ICT would really be able to solve a lot of challenges and growth issues that our country faces today, whether it is in terms of economic growth or whether it is in terms of society, education, healthcare. There's so many things, and ICT is emerging in many places where it has really been deployed as something which can make a big difference. We